14.5 is nothing. They trust you with 14.5 in your credit. Cause see, 14.5 to a motherfucker that got millions ain't nothing. So they gonna check.
Millions?
You don't got them. The other people that you borrowing the 14.5 got them, miss.
I've already borrowed enough.
You done borrowed it all. Is you paying them back faithfully? Look at him. What he? Hey man, how you doing today?
I'm doing great, man.
You having a good day? Did you borrow the 14.5 or nah?
14.5.
Yeah, for a car.
What?
Did you borrow from the creditors, from the bank?
Oh.
You know the bank, have you borrowed? Did you get a car or you paid cash or you borrowed?
I pay cash, man.
Oh, you paid cash. Oh, you smart. So you don't owe.
I pay cash, man.
What you get? What you get?
Give me a second,
Let
man.
me see what you got. So, cause I done seen every car run up here. People burn their grandma car up here. I know what your time is. What you run?
I don't got a race car.
But I need to know. You don't got it. Oh, that's you?
Yeah, it's my truck right there.
Oh shit.
Yeah, man.
You working with something?
So.
Security paying you.
The owner of my company.
Oh, you the owner. That's why. You motherfucker, you boy.
Yeah, man.
Give me a call.
Hey, if you need bodyguard services, man, we do that too.
Yeah, when I get on,
Yeah,
I can call your ass.
Holler, man.
Let me see. You ain't got nobody bigger than you. Let me somebody bigger than you. I know some niggas, boy. Tell your ass up. Hey, you ain't got nobody bigger than you. You need somebody bigger than you. You my son. I'll try your ass. You don't want. You need somebody big that I need to be scared of.
About 220 right now.
Oh, you about 220? I'm 160.
You're what?
160. That really ain't enough. But nah, I really. You didn't look 220 though. You look 180. I would have tried your ass and just would have had to find out on the back end. That nigga 220.
I don't want your driver.
Damn. Okay. Yeah, I see y'all here. Oh, that's you use your phone as your body cam?
Nah, I don't record on it. I got no.
You need to be recorded, fool, cause I might get live.
If something happens,
so I start shooting, you go, oh shit, let me grab my phone and record.
And then he shoot your
Nah, fuck all that. When I pull out my shit, I'm busting everywhere. You ain't gonna have time. You ain't gonna even thinking about your phone.
I mean, I'm not gonna care about a video at that point.
Yeah, you probably wanna tackle my ass, fool.
You're shooting, man. You're shooting.
Oh, you got a gun? Oh shit, that motherfucker got a gun too. Never mind. I left my shit at home, boy.
Shoot, man, you gotta equal that level.
I ain't know you had a gun, so you got a real job. Okay, you the real man. I got you.
Yeah, man. Some security or bodyguard stuff, man. I got you, man.
Yeah. Man, when I get on, fool, all the way on, I might fuck with you, fool. You the only one felt like I might need some security. I don't even know. Nigga might want to race me too bad or something.
Yeah.
What he talking about? What? He directing? Boy, I ain't gonna lie, boy. That goddamn look at man, that goddamn drink. I'm 80%, fool. I ain't gonna. What the fuck you want me to tell you? A lie? I'm tough. Man, y'all wanna know why I quit lying? I used to be a good ass liar. I quit lying. I couldn't remember them motherfuckers. I was telling so many motherfucking lies. I couldn't even remember them bitches. Man, fuck this shit. Trying to keep lying. Hey, y'all, they want me to go this way. Oh, I gotta pee. All the goddamn liquor. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel?
We are now.
Yeah, Lookout Racing, fool. Lookout Racing. I need to get y'all. You need a sticker? I got stickers like a motherfucker, boy. Look. Tell somebody else, pass them out, man. Hey. You want some what?
Sticker.
You want a sticker too? Man, you know I gotta get, man, they said, love your
They
people.
gonna do with the track though. That's
I ain't worried about all that. Damn them. They steady stepping on. I heard the noise. They got the flame.
we know what they finna do now.
Hey man.
40 more minutes now. They gonna
Man.
Nigga hit that.
Oh shit. High voltage. I got high voltage, man. All his people watching. You know he cool with Elon Musk, fool. Hey, I gotta get away from y'all. Yeah, he got a Tesla, fool. He cool. All his people and stuff watching. I can't even cuss no more, fool, cause you know he bought that Tesla. You know how much them? You know how much them things cost? About $150, man. All his colleagues and stuff watching. Man, they got people that got $150,000 watching. Hey, man, all y'all people that got $150,000 to buy a Tesla Plaid, man. Hey, y'all mess with Lookout Racing, man. Go on, subscribe and tell your other friends that got $150,000. They probably even got $1 million. Tell them, watch me too. And if they want to subscribe or something, you know, get a video or something, I get them a professionally video done without bucanas in the way, God. Yeah, man. Oh, shit. Hey, man, stuff on fire. Oh, don't go this way. Well, that's the same.
Hot chocolate or what?
Yeah, let me get a hot chocolate, extra chocolate. Put me 2 packets in my shit, man, with some water. I don't want my shit out the faucet either. Give me some Fiji.
Started right here.
Man, I gotta pee, fool. This goddamn bucana. This shit. Hey, look out, man. Man, I can't handle all this shit. These motherfuckers think I can handle this shit. I'm just acting like I can handle this shit, man. This ain't shit. What's up, man? What's up? This ain't shit. This ain't shit, man. I could drink this shit all night straight. These motherfuckers think I can drink this shit all night. I can't drink this shit. Hey, miss, I can drink this shit all night, miss. All night. You can't fuck with this, miss. Bucana straight up. I'm talking about this shit here kill you. I just got the shit. I done mixed it to where it can't kill you yet. Boy, I'm telling you, you can't fuck with this, miss. Hey! Bitch, this shit 80%. Motherfucker, you done fucked me up. Hey, man.